The YouTube app you are using right now has 4 hidden settings that 99% of people have never tried. I didn't know about them at first either. Honestly, I was surprised when I first saw these options. Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I will show you 4 settings that will completely change your YouTube experience. These were probably right in front of you, but you never noticed. Let's go straight to the mobile screen without wasting time. Watch every step carefully. First, open the Play Store on your mobile. Search for YouTube in the search box. Check if your app is updated. If not, click the update button now to get the latest version. You won't find these new features in older versions. Open the app once it's updated. Let's say you are watching a long video. What would you do if you wanted to share this specific moment? Most people don't know how. You want your friend to see only that part. You can share from that exact time instead of the whole video. First, pause the video, click the share arrow icon at the bottom of the screen. You'll see many options on the screen. Don't worry, we will just use the new way to share. After clicking the share button, you'll see a small checkbox at the bottom. The specific time of the video will be written there. Just check that box. Now select Telegram or any other app and send the link to your friend. Now, when your friend clicks that link, the video won't start from the beginning, but will play directly from that specific time. This really helps save time for long videos. Honestly, this one feature changed my daily habit. Now let's look at a feature that might keep you awake if you don't know it. Really. Many of us watch YouTube before sleeping at night. Often we fall asleep while the video is still playing. This wastes both phone battery and internet. Click the gear icon at the top of the screen while the video is playing. You will find the settings option there. Then tap the More button. See, a new option called Sleep Timer has been added below. Have you ever noticed this before? I think most people skip it. Clicking that sleep timer option will give you the choice to set a time. You can set it for 10 minutes or until the end of the video. I usually keep the end of video option. Once the time is selected, YouTube will stop the video on its own. This will automatically lock your phone. Now you can fall asleep while watching videos without any worry. There will be no fear of running out of internet. This is a great solution for saving our battery life. If you like the video, you can give it a like to encourage me. Now let's talk about YouTube Shorts. We waste a lot of time scrolling through Shorts all day. Do you want to remove this Shorts feed from your homepage completely? Click on your profile or account icon. Then click the gear icon to enter the settings menu. Here we will find the hidden way to turn off Shorts. Be patient. There are many options inside settings. Find the time management option in the settings and click it. Some might be wondering if it's even possible to turn off Shorts. Yes, it is. Scroll down to the very bottom. You'll find an option called Shorts Feed Limit at the end. Turn on or activate this button. YouTube hid this at the bottom on purpose because it's not good for their business. Now we have to do our main task. It will just take a minute. After turning on the limit option, set the time value to 0 or 0. That's it. Your job is done. From now on, you won't see the annoying Shorts feed on the YouTube homepage. If you ever want to watch Shorts again, just come back here and turn off the feature. This will help a lot in reducing your screen time. I tried this for a few days and the result is quite good. There is no better setting to stay focused. Finally, let's talk about some experimental YouTube features. Click on the Try Experimental New Features option from the settings. Here YouTube lets you test their new ideas. You can enable the automatic speed feature. It adjusts the speed by itself based on the type of video. If you don't like it, there is an option to disable it. Try these 4 hidden settings starting today. Let me know in the comments which one helped you the most. I read them all. Stay with Phone Transformer. See you in the next video. Thank you everyone.